I hear is motherfuckers making the same music.
Yo guys, what's going on? We are with the E36 at the circuit of Zolder again for another practice day. The goal of today is practice some more tandems, because at the end of the day, in real life, I don't have that much tandem practice. My buddy Sprag is here today, James, so hopefully we can do some practice with him. And then there's a couple other people interested to do some skids as well. So whenever they feel like it, I'm gonna throw on my helmet and then we can practice some tandems and I'll show you guys the highlights. Today I got these guys here. They're going to film from the outside. If the footage is any good and if I can use it, then I will put it in this video. It will make for a better video. So shout out to those two. Right, so this is another section. Never done this, but I'm going to drive a different car. This is a E335i. So I've never drifted something else, so this will be my first impression. They haven't set it up completely, but it has Y-strap in front. It's got like 400 horse or something, so let's see how we do in this.
Voorstellen op tafel treinen in ons land meer dan 12 uur vertraging. Dat is een verdubbeling tegenover 2 jaar geleden, blijkt uit cijfers.
Het is hier wel warm in die auto. Mooi, dat stuur zit los.
Yikes.
Maar zoveel power, jong. En zo los dat die staat.
Nope.
Weinig voorspelbaar. Dat is super los. Like. Weet je niet dat zo echt zo. Right, I need to figure out the windshield wiper because okay, and everything is super loose. There's a lot of throttle input lag almost. It's kind of weird. Oh, there's a lot of throttle input lag. So there's a lot of throttle input lag, I feel like, and everything is super loose. The car is also super wobbly. It misses like some spring rates in the rear.
Dat is echt eens een auto, zeg. En dan
Hij heeft omgedraaid.
omdraaien, ja.
It's super warm in this car. I don't know how to turn it off. Everything is set to cold, but cold on. Right, the reverse layout. Last lap in reverse. I don't want to break his car. Looks like everything is loose. The car also feels really loose, and I keep grabbing for a handbrake that is misplaced, or at least not in my position. So let's try to link this completely. comfortable. This is not my car. I'm gonna bring this back. Right, so same segment of last time. This time around, I'll be testing out a 370Z. He had some power steering issues in the morning, but that seems all sorted out. So it's a Nismo one, pretty expensive. I'm a little bit stressed to drive it, to be honest, but let's see how we do. Achteruit.
Indrukken helemaal opzij en naast 6 eigenlijk. Ja. En je kunt daar in de cluster ook je keer zien.
Ja, er. Oké. Good. Oeh. Spicy.
Ja, je moet er ook echt tot 7,5 nou wat gewild.
Ik zal mij vooral kalm houden. Stuur is terug in orde nu?
Yes.
Maar ik voel wel dat het een beetje zwaar is. Maar
Ja, maar hij is gewoon zwaar.
Ja. Oeh, nice. Mechanical.
Ja, dat is origineel, hè? Dat is zo. De knop niet, hè, maar
Ja.
de linketje nou is allemaal gewoon.
Feels like a short shifter.
Ja.
Right, so this is a bit of a layout to test out this car, because in my car it doesn't work to link this whole part. It'll probably work with this, but I'll be gentle. Okay, second time in a different car in mind. Ho ho! Super rowdy.
Ja.
Oef. Volledig anders dan wat ik gewoon ben. Second lap, this feels completely different to my car. It has power. Let me see. Ho ho ho! Oh Jesus, you need to ramp. Oh. Oei,
Dat ding heeft grip, hè?
je moet echt. You really gotta drive this. Oh, it rev matches automatically. What the hell?
Netjes.
Yeah. So this is something completely different. You really need to drive it because there's a LSD in this. It's not welded, so you really need to be on throttle. It's 100% two-way, and I really feel it. I need to drive, otherwise it opens up and it's really weird. It also has a lot of grip. Nice. Zit er hier een engelkit op? Nee.
Ja.
Ja? Want daar heb ik hem gemaxt.
Ja,
Ik ging bijna rondgaan.
Dat is 60 graden.
Ja. Denk. Back home. It was a very pleasant day. It turned out to be good weather as well in the afternoon. Had a few good laps in the morning with James, my Sedan Corsa buddy, and then I got the opportunity to drive in a 335i and also in the 370Z, so I really appreciate both the guys for letting me drive them. It was my first time actually driving or drifting anything other than my own car, and I must say it worked. It's both different beasts, but it turned out to work, so I'm really happy for that, and I'm really glad that I had the opportunity to try them out as well. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. If you liked the video, like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this, just subscribe. Check out my social media, Instagram, TikTok, all the rest. Appreciate you guys. Bye bye.